Election time is coming up, and there's lots of stress that people are feeling around the impact that the election is going to have on our health and well-being. And there should be a lot of concern because voting in elections and the outcomes of in elections are very important and consequential. Having said that, I do think that there is reason to be hopeful and optimistic regardless of the outcome of the election. I'm Dr. Chad Swanson. I'm an emergency physician, and I'm on a journey to understand and transform our health systems. Let me just share 4 stats and ideas. The first is that health care, so the work of physicians like myself in hospitals and nurses, only contributes to about 5 to 20% of our health status that we can change. So the other 80 to 95% is not determined by healthcare policy or health insurance status. The second idea is that we can control personally, I would say from 20 to 60% of our health status through our diet and exercise and social connections and many other factors. There are lots of ways outside of voting to influence health policy and policies that influence health and well-being through a number of advocacy and mobilization efforts. And then finally, there are many collective ways outside of politics completely, from writing letters to the editor to being involved in the community to speaking up in how our children are engaging with social media or the diets of our children. So there's lots of ways to influence health that are completely outside of politics. I'd love your thoughts. How are you handling things during this election season? And what are some ways that you can impact the health of yourself and your well-being and your those that you love that is outside of the political realm? Love to know your thoughts. Thanks.